Welcome back to this basic HTML tutorial series. This is the first lesson in this series, and in this lesson, I like to start by explaining what is HTML, what it does, and briefly talk about how we create a website. HTML is the most widely used language on the web, and it's mainly used to create websites and web applications. If you want to learn web design or web development, then it's really important to understand HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So let's take a look what is a hypertext and markup language. Hypertext is a simple link that connects one web page to another. In other words, all the links we see when we visit a website are hypertext. However, to work properly, hypertext needs something called hyperlink. And a hyperlink is a reference to the hypertext. If it sounds a bit confusing, then let us take a look at an example so it's easier to understand. If I type HTML and search in Google, then you can see all the text here with the blue color are hypertext. And if I hover over a hypertext, you can see at the bottom left corner there is a text that tells me where this hypertext will take me if I click on this hypertext. In this case, it takes me to Wikipedia. So here, en.wikipedia.org/wiki/html is the hyperlink, and the text I click to get to the Wikipedia is a hypertext. Earlier, I said hypertext connect one web page to another, but there is an exception. Not all hypertext always open up on a new page. Here, you can see when I click on this hypertext, it takes me to a new section of this page instead of opening a new page. And other thing I like to mention is that hypertext could be a picture instead of text. And also, hypertext always does not need to be blue. We can change its color by using CSS. Now that we know what is hypertext, let's take a look at what is a markup language. A markup language is a computer language that we can use to apply layout and formatting to a text document, so the document is easier to understand. The idea of marking up a text document first came from paper manuscript, where red pen and blue pencil were used for marking up that manuscript. However, now in digital media, we use tags instead of red pen and blue pencil. Now that we know what is HTML, let's briefly talk about what it does. So basically, we create the structure for the web page with HTML by using various tags available in the language. But to build a complete web page, we need a bit more than just HTML. So we use CSS, which provides the style for the web page, and JavaScript for some extra functionality on top of HTML to build a complete web page. And many web pages make a complete website. Now, if you are wondering how do we build a website, the actual process, so basically we create a folder in our computer where we make all the web pages with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and if needed, we use some other languages, and we also store all the media we need for our website in that folder, and then upload that folder to a web server. So let's see how we really upload a website to a web server. So I created this website for this tutorial by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's see how we can upload this website to a web server. So the first thing we need to do before uploading the website is compress all the document so we can upload all the document at once. Otherwise, it could be really annoying to upload one document at a time. Now that we compressed all the document, let's open up the browser. And to get to the web server, we need to type the address of the web server in the browser. And here, I need to put my username and password. After login, we need to look for File Manager. And inside the File Manager, there is a directory called public_HTML. And this is the directory where we want to upload our website. And as you can see, I already have a WordPress website installed in this directory. So here we need to create a new directory for our website. I will just name this directory tutorial. And now let's upload our website. Now the upload is done. Let's get back to our tutorial directory. And now all we need to do is extract all the file. So let's see if the website is working or not. And as you can see, our website is properly working. That's pretty much how we upload a website to a web server. If you have any question, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.